weird. It looks cute, but I guess I just don't have enough hair to do this. Oh, thank you. This one's so much better than the other place.
I know.
It's like 1,000 degrees. The famous tamago. You know what? I didn't even eat it yet. It's so sweet. I was expecting it to be sweet, but not like this sweet. It's so hot. Tsukiji fish market is a lot smaller than people like make it out to be. Wow, these look so good. Leaning towards strawberry. They just have regular one too. This is the matcha strawberry one. I was craving the strawberry mochi the whole time. The streets are all like blocked off because someone's doing like a political rally here. It's so hot. There was like full traffic. No one could like walk in. Everyone's like cramped together.
What the dog doing?
She also has like sections where you could like customize tote bags. Casual. I don't know what guys like they just say that they're cool with everything for them. I don't know what's like dad vibes. Random shabu because it's thundering outside like randomly. Oh my god, it looks so good. It's coffee jelly dessert. Oh, wait, smell this. It smells like a cold brew, like a latte. We're finally here. It's really windy though. Yeah. Did you? Our boss bought us snow cones.
美味しい。
I actually made this once. It came out so bad. This is so delicious. Oh my goodness. This is today's fit check. The weather today is actually like insanely good. I used like a lot of different products today, but it's like giving. This is blueberry yogurt. So cute because it has.
I think the best matcha I had so far was the tsukiji one.
So cute. Shimokitasa has a lot of like shopping But yeah, this neighborhood is super cute. I feel like Shihiro. My first blind box. But I really want this one. I got it! I got this one! Yes! Waiting in line for cotton candy. Arigatou gozaimasu. Trying to get some Instagram photos today, so cheers. Wait, mine tastes like strawberry milk. We try it? It tastes literally like strawberry milk. This one tastes like the artificial strawberry candy. They have like the cutest hair pieces here. Matches my earrings.